backflip.
No, she didn't.
That kid jumped. You see that?
Hornblasters.com has caught me off guard more than one occasion.
When? When's the first time to get?
I live in Jacksonville, Florida, and I was at a bus stop. And before I knew it, you guys came by, made a noise. It absolutely made me shit my pants. There's no questions about it. And then tonight, you guys came through here while we were performing and made this whole crowd lose their minds. I categorically, undeniably endorse Hornblasters.com all the way through, man. You guys are my favorite website.
Oh, we got 'em.